Good afternoon. Preacher Man back with another episode of the Santa Cruz build. Today we're looking at bed of the truck. The Santa Cruz has a tailgate release. It doesn't go back up, but it does come down. This is a lock for the awning cover, and that's locked. Do that. When you lift the tailgate cover up, or the bed cover, bottom thing up, lights come on the sides. That's pretty cool, helpful. It's got some sort of an integrated rail system, movable. Nope, just two. That's for the tonneau cover. So, the night package came with the bed liner, which is really nice. The bed is already somewhat powder coated, which is really nice. So, you have compartment on each side. And you had two jumper cables in there, not so much for me, but for everybody else. And then you have this also. So, I like to put my straps over there, but the bag's a little bit straps, so here it can hold it down with. So I need to go through that. One thing I noticed about the cargo tray in the bottom of the bed is there's no tie down straps, loops. There's no place to fasten anything down. There's drain plugs, which is great, but no place to strap things down to. So I got all my ties down straps in the bag, a little bit more consolidated. Oh, wait. All right, so I got the straps all on one side. And I got the cover back on the other side where the jumper cables are. Put my tire inflator in there. It's good to have at the cabin when tires are low because of weather. The Tucson had a little bent in one of the rims, and it was constantly fluctuating air temperature with a slow leak. So I got to have it carrying that around. Last time I used it, I actually put air in somebody else's tire for a change. That's about it so far. Thinking about putting a divider in here to keep groceries in this end of it. Right now there's room in there for some groceries, but see you next time.